Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen today. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers, and you've been watching and you've been wondering, should I subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen? Yes, you could. If you've been watching and you've been getting some good verbs from it and everything, I think you should subscribe to it. Mr. Belle have a lot of good videos, a lot of good videos coming on. So today I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. Today I'll be making some bacon wrapped shrimp. So this is my bacon right here. I cut it in half and everything, nice pieces. I will be wrapping this shrimp up in it. I have about 12 pieces of shrimp. It's kind of nice and big. I cleaned it up real good, the back and everything. As you see, there's some nice sized shrimp and everything. And today, the ingredients, I'll be using some Louisiana seasoned crispy shrimp fry. So, and I'll be using 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt. I'll be mixing up in a bag with it and everything. So I'm going to be doing that today. And I just want to thank everyone for leaving all the good comments and everything. And as you know, I will be doing it in the Power XL, and plus sometimes I'll be cooking in the oven. Or I might be using other things to give you an idea how you can just switch up and cook with different kind of equipment. So today, for all my first time viewers, you know when I'm frying this shrimp, I cannot fry it with this top on. So for those of you who have a Power XL and wonder how you take the top off, that's all you do, wiggle, 1, 2, lift up. It's that easy. And I'm gonna set this to the side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna set this right here for 375 after I put it on fry. As you see, it's on fry, and I'm gonna set it for set temperature, I'm gonna set temperature. Now I'm going to go back to fry. And I'm set it for 375. And then I'm going to set temperature for 40 minutes. I'm not going to use it all because I'm going to press start. And what it's going to do, it's going to heat it up and everything. As you see, it's circulating and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my oil in it and let it get nice and warm. Today I'll be using some vegetable oil. I'm just gonna eyeball it, put enough in there, just enough to fry this shrimp. And this right here, hope it come out very delicious and everything. This is my first time doing it in the Power XL. I wanna share it with you guys. And we just gonna do it like this. You know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. I'm gonna put this top on it and let that just heat up real nice and good. Got enough in there. And so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna get started. I'm just gonna start pouring this seasoning in this bag right here. Just dump it in just like that. Dump all that in there. And I'm gonna put my seasoning in it. Just like this. And I'm just going to shake that up nice and good. You can use whatever you want to do when you do your bacon wrapped shrimp. You can use flour or whatever. I'm just going to use the shrimp fry season today. And I'm just going to wrap this up and everything. Put this to the side so I can wrap it up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this nice good shrimp right here, and I'm just gonna take it just like this, and I'm just gonna wrap it around just like this, and make sure this bacon get all around it so it could be nice and crispy and delicious and everything. And just put it like that. And just wrap it like that. Set that one to the side. Get another piece of bacon. Grab one of these nice shrimp. And I'm just gonna wrap it just like this. Make sure it's tucked nice and good. Like that. Give you an idea how to do it. And wrap it just like that. And I'm gonna tuck it. So I'm just gonna tuck it in just a little so they kind of stay wrapped and everything like that. As you see, that's looking good. And I'm gonna get one more and I'm just gonna wrap it. I get this one right here. This one will look kind of nice and big and everything, and just wrap it just like this. Now when you bite into it, you're gonna be getting a bite. The bacon, the shrimp and everything's gonna be delicious. And you're just gonna tuck it in a little, just like that. Put them to the side, and they're gonna be looking just like this, looking nice and good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a commercial and wrap these up while commercial, and I'll be right back. Okay, as you see, these right here are wrapped. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put them in this bag with the season. I'm gonna just take my time, put them in one at a time. Just put them in just like this. Let the stuff sit on them and everything. And put them in there one at a time. And I'm gonna just sit this in there just like that, nice and good. Sit them in there, just like that. And this right here is gonna come out very delicious, hopefully. So I'm gonna sit it and I'm gonna put this to the side. And I'm just gonna seal this up like this. And I'm just gonna take it and flip it over like that for a little while, and then flip it back like this. And what I'm gonna do while it's like that, while this is still getting hot, you want your grease hot. So what I'm gonna do, while it's getting hot, I'm gonna set this to the side. And for all my first time viewers, while this is sitting to the side and everything, and my grease is getting hot, you know, Mr. Belle, wash your dishes as you cook. Don't leave it for the spouse. Don't leave it for your friend. Don't leave it for your roommate. Don't leave it for your kids. As it's cooking, wash the dishes, because they might be hungry and they might be afraid to eat because they think they have to wash dishes. But if you wash the dishes, everybody can enjoy the meal. So what I'm gonna do now, the grease is hot and I have 40 minutes on there and everything. So I'm just gonna take these out like this. I'm gonna just start taking them out and sitting them in there very nice and easy. Take them out like that. And I'm just gonna sit it in there like that. Just like that. Sit another one in there. Just let that just fry. Just like that. Nice and good. Sit it in. And you know, Mr. Belle like to take you step by step. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put the camera over here. I might not be able to show my face, but I'm going to put these in just like this. Let that just fry and get nice, good, and crispy. Like that. You can hear the sizzling. The grease is nice, good, and hot. And everything. Just like that. Put that one in there. And I'm going to let that fry for a few minutes while I move my camera. As you see, this is cooking nice and good and everything. And I'm going to just let this cook for a few minutes. You know, Mr. Belle likes to take you step by step and everything. It's cooking good. Get that nice, good crisp on it. And I'm not going to move them too much right now because it's still cooking. I don't want to move the bacon from off it. What I'm going to do, I'm going to just flip this one time. As you see, it's looking good and everything. And these shrimp, it only take a couple minutes for shrimp to get done. So I'm gonna be taking these shrimp out. And yeah, it's looking good, as you see. Looking nice and good. I might let it stay in a few more minutes, but I'm taking it out because it's only been 6 minutes. Okay, this is done. I'm gonna take these out. And I have this paper on here to get all the excess grease off it. So I'm gonna just take these out. They look pretty nice and done. And what I'm gonna do, I'm just let them sit there before I taste it and everything. Yeah, they're done. So what I'm gonna do, I only use 10 minutes and everything. I'm gonna press cancel. And I'm gonna unplug this. And I'm just gonna take the rest of them out just like that. Just take all these out. And let them cool off before I taste it. Okay, this right here is your bacon wrapped shrimp. As you see, it's looking nice and good and everything. And I'm gonna try one of these, and the bacon is wrapped around it. It's still hot. That is good. I'm getting the bacon and the shrimp together. It's still hot and everything, but that's cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment in the box. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Ring that bell and you'll subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you. Mr. Belle have a lot of more videos.